Hey everyone, imagine this. You're going about your day, chilling, maybe scrolling on your phone, when suddenly, bam! The Earth slams on the brakes and stops spinning. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into what would really happen if our planet just stopped. Spoiler alert, it's not good news, but it's absolutely fascinating. Let's start with a quick question. Why does the Earth even spin in the first place? It all goes back to when the solar system was born about 4.6 billion years ago. Back then, there was a huge cloud of gas and dust spinning around, slowly coming together to form planets, including Earth. That spin, the Earth inherited it and has kept spinning ever since, at a whopping 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour, at the equator. That's faster than most planes. And since space doesn't have brakes, the Earth just keeps going, like the ultimate perpetual motion machine. Alright, here's the part you came for. What happens if the Earth suddenly hits the brakes? Well, let's just say things get messy, really messy. You've probably heard of inertia. It's why your coffee spills when your car stops suddenly. Now imagine that, but on a global scale. The Earth's surface would stop, but everything on it, oceans, the atmosphere, you, would keep moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour. Buildings, flattened, trees, uprooted, oceans. Hello, tsunamis the size of mountains. Basically, it'd be chaos. And by chaos, I mean the apocalypse. Right now, the Earth's spin gives us day and night. But if the spinning stops, one side of the planet would be stuck facing the sun, turning into a giant oven. Temperatures could hit over 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The other side, permanent darkness, freezing to below minus 100 degrees Celsius, minus 148 degrees Fahrenheit. One half of the world becomes a desert, the other an icy wasteland. Oh, and the winds where these two extremes meet. Absolute nightmare weather. Think storms that make hurricanes look like a gentle breeze. You know how Earth has this invisible shield called the magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation? It's created by the movement of molten iron in Earth's core, which happens because the planet spins. No spin, no shield. Without it, solar radiation would fry us and the atmosphere would slowly get stripped away. Pretty grim, right? This one's wild. The Earth's spin creates centrifugal force, which keeps water bulging around the equator. If the Earth stops, that force disappears. What happens next? The oceans would start moving toward the poles, leaving the equator high and dry. Imagine whole new continents appearing where the oceans used to be, and new oceans forming at the poles. Say goodbye to today's maps. They'd be useless. Okay, let's take a breather. What if the Earth didn't stop suddenly, but slowed down over millions of years? The effects wouldn't be as catastrophic, but they'd still be pretty intense. Long days and nights. A single day could last months or even years. That means scorching hot days and freezing cold nights. Climate chaos. Slower rotation would mess with wind patterns and ocean currents, creating entirely new climates. Some places might become deserts, while others turn into lush rainforests. Humans adapting. We'd have to come up with crazy tech to survive these extreme conditions. Think underground cities or artificial suns. Cool idea, right? Now, before you freak out, let me calm your nerves. The Earth isn't stopping anytime soon. It's slowing down, sure, but really, really slowly, about 1.8 milliseconds per century. So, unless you plan on living for billions of years, you don't need to worry. But there's always the what-if scenario. A massive asteroid impact or a close encounter with another planet could theoretically mess with Earth's rotation. Unlikely, but not impossible. Here's the thing. The Earth's rotation is way more important than we give it credit for. It keeps our planet balanced, gives us day and night, shapes the weather, and even keeps the oceans in place. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. So next time you're feeling dizzy, just remember, It's all part of the Earth's awesome spin. Alright, that's it for today's mind-blowing thought experiment. What do you think? Could humans survive on a non-spinning Earth? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep spinning, everyone.